In today's video, I will show you how to add a username to Tinder. Tinder introduced this web profile feature as a clever way to help users share their dating cards securely outside the ecosystem, letting you drop a clean link into your other social media bios or send it directly to a friend for a quick profile review. To claim yours, open the app, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. From there, scroll all the way down to the web profile section, tap Username, type in your desired username, and select Confirm. This instantly generates a custom web link that safely directs people to your official discovery card online. Just keep in mind that while you can create and change this web username as much as you want to share your profile, you absolutely cannot change your actual display name or age on Tinder once your account is created, as the app locks those down to maintain platform safety and verify identities. And that's it. That's how to add a username to Tinder.